Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing well. Let me start by introducing myself. I am Rajesh D. Sangvi. By profession, I am a businessman and I am also a human welfare worker for Isha Foundation of Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev Ji. From the beginning, I felt we as humans have a lot of suffering. We go through a lot of suffering in many ways. As individuals, we lack some basic knowledge, and we suffer because of that. Our life is a suffering, becomes a suffering many times. And sometimes it's the family doesn't conduct itself well, and there's a lot of clashes, and then that leads to suffering, both the husband and wife as well as the children. And then there is the society, the way it is structured. It's gone wrong in some ways, and we are suffering because of that. Then it's the nation which hasn't done some things which are necessary, and the lack of these things, or the way it should be done, it is not done. And then we as citizens of the nation suffer a lot. Then in the world itself, there's some things which are going wrong, which, as humanity we need to be responsible, and since we are not making big strides towards owning up that responsibility, it is leading to suffering. So among all these things, capturing all these things, I have offered a lot of solutions to each of these problems. And there are a lot of topics in my book. I have written a book offering the solutions to many of these problems, to all of these problems, most of them. And I will give you an example where you'll come to know how the depth of my book. You would have heard, I am offering it to you as a proverb first. You would have heard about Hitler and the way he was. Do you think, was there something, if he had known, he would have been more like nearer to Jesus? Could Hitler have led a life which is pious, which he didn't know? There are some secrets which he didn't know about life, which could have made him live a life nearer to Jesus, Lord Jesus. Well, if you know why and what he should have done, then you know the truth. But if you don't know what he should have done to be nearer to Jesus, then you should read my book. It's very quick, it's quite quick, quite clear in my book. Then I'll give you one more example. We find that there are a lot of married couples, who are very happy. They're happily married, and they celebrate their silver jubilee and their golden jubilee. Golden jubilee is difficult, but still many manage even the golden jubilee of their happy married life, and their children are very successful, and they have had a beautiful life. So what is the secret about this success as a family and a married life? So do you know the secret? I know. You'll find it in my book. Just read through it. And there's a very simple method. There are some simple truths about the individual or the family which you should know, which will lead to happiness and blissfulness and success. Now coming to society, I'll give you examples of, one big example I'll start with, which is about India, and where the society is suffering because of the educational system we are following currently. This is our current educational system is more based on British system. We need the science and technology which is there in our curriculum in this given to the children, but we need to introduce our own culture and our own knowledge, which is homegrown, which makes or breaks into a success for our children. Now the current modern education is not leading you anywhere. Many are unsuccessful, and a lot of suffering is going on. A lot of children are unhappy. Many are committing suicide. Well, there is something where they should be taught about our culture, which is good and which will make them as stable human beings and happy human beings and successful human beings. Well, they could be taught about, for example, they should be taught about Ved, Puran, Upanishads, Patanjali, Bhagavad Gita, Agam Shastra, or for that matter, our own martial arts, homegrown martial art, which is the godfather of all martial art, that is Kalri, or it is about the most important thing which we are not imparting to the children, and they are missing it, and that is the science of yoga and pranayama and dhyana, and also introduce them to the line of bhakti. So if these things are put into the curriculum of the children, once they cross the age of puberty, once they have crossed puberty, then they would turn out to be very successful individuals, and they would help in nation building, and India would shine if all this was amalgamated and the proper education was given to the children. Now, coming to many other problems, we have the problem of unemployment, where I have given offered solutions. Then I have given the problem of poor people, how we should tend to them. We have a lot of poor people in India. Then there's the question of economic development, infrastructure development, privatization, agricultural reforms, and there are so many other topics, allied topics, where I have shed light, where you can the country has to reach has to do so many things to become an advanced nation. What about government schools and government hospitals? You know how they are now and how they should be. I have a detailed plan for that. So these are all society problems of society, and the government of India needs to take action, and where we as a collective society, as individuals, need to join in the effort to make our nation great and make it at par with advanced countries. Then coming to the world, yes, there are a lot of things going wrong there also. For example, the problems of climate change, the pollution, and the way we are cutting down trees, which is a main source of oxygen. No trees, no oxygen. We cannot sustain our life. Then there's the question of rivers of India drying up. So how do we stop that? How do we reverse it? So all these things are there, whether it's the individual, the family, the nation, or the society, or the world. There's so many topics which are not yet covered, but I've given you an example what I have tackled in my book, and I offered solutions to overcome these problems so that human suffering comes down and human welfare takes place. So if you, I request you to, and this book is, and the book that I'm going to display to you now, first I'll display it so that you know about it. This is called Jai Mata Di, my book on human welfare. Why Jai Mata Di? Well, I am a Mataji Bhakt from the very small age when I was a child, and Mataji Bhakti is paramount in my life. So I wanted Mataji to bless this book so that it can serve its purpose. So it's in the title itself with Mataji on it, and you can see Sadhguru and Swami Vivekananda also, who are great influences I have had in my life. So this is also available in Hindi version over here. So Jai Mata Di, Manav Kalyan Par Meri Pustak. So this is, I've written in Hindi also, as I've written the same thing in English also, so that those both of those people, both the people who know English or don't know Hindi or whatever, they can choose either both the books, or download one of the books, whichever they choose, and find out what's there in the book and what I've talked about. So I request you to go through the chapter headings, and you'll find that Sadhguru's blessings are also there in the book. That's a surprise gift to you. And now this book is available easily to you for a few days on my Facebook, and below, and I posted it as a link, download link, on my video, or below this video over here. You just press this button, and you will go to the download button, where you can download the English book or the Hindi book, or both of them. And there is a third section where you can give your feedback or review of the book. So you can come back, you can download first, read the book at your leisure, Go through the chapters, go through the content of the book. How much ever you want to read, you read, and then give a review. Come back to the same thing and give a review of the book. I'll be very grateful if you do that, so that other people also know and benefit from the book. For what, and that is the intention of the book, to give, to cause human welfare and to promote human health, human welfare. So this book, if you want it this way in hard copy, whether it is Hindi or this English one, if you wanted the hard copy, in the description on the top of this video, I have given the Amazon link, amazon.in, amazon.com, and Flipkart, and then iBooks, which is the Apple ebook, and then Google Play. So there are so many other commercial spaces where these books you can buy with paying the charges for it. Well, they are nominal charges, but you need to pay for the book. And if you please buy that book from these particular websites, Amazon and amazon.com. Amazon.com is for international readers. So and for India it is amazon.in. So if you like the book, please purchase it and circulate it among your people. If you want only the download, well, read it, go through the book. If you like it, give the review, and then circulate it among your people. I wanted to reach how much ever people it can, so that it serves the purpose it is meant for, and the Mataji's blessings come to all of us. So that's what I wanted to tell you, and I give you my best wishes, and may God bless you. I'm now signing out. Thank you so much for giving me your time, and Jai Mata Di, जय श्री राम, भारत माता की जय, नमस्ते।